The Great Pyramid of Giza is one of the most iconic and mysterious structures in the world, a testament to the engineering prowess and cultural sophistication of ancient Egypt. In this video, we'll take you on a captivating journey through the intricate interior of this ancient wonder, exploring its hidden chambers, passageways, and the secrets they hold. There are two entrances into the pyramid, the original and a forced passage made by robbers, which meet at a junction. From there, one passage descends into the Subterranean Chamber, while the other ascends to the Grand Gallery. From the beginning of the Grand Gallery, three paths can be taken. A vertical shaft that leads down, past a grotto, to meet the descending passage. B, a horizontal corridor leading to the Queen's Chamber. C, and the path up the gallery itself to the King's Chamber that contains the sarcophagus. North Entrance. The main and most well-known entrance to the Great Pyramid is located on the north face of the structure. This entrance leads to a descending passage that slopes downward at a 26-degree angle, eventually reaching the Subterranean Chamber. The north entrance is believed to have been the primary access point for the pyramid's builders and visitors during its construction and use, Robbers' Entrance. In addition to the north entrance, there is another entrance known as the Robbers' Entrance, located on the south side of the pyramid. This entrance was likely created by tomb robbers who sought to gain access to the pyramid's interior and loot its contents. The Robbers' Entrance leads to a horizontal passage that connects to the descending passage, providing an alternative route to the pyramid's inner chambers. Today, tourists enter the Great Pyramid via the Robbers' Tunnel, which is about 7 meters above the base. The main entrance, located on the north face, leads to a descending passage that slopes downward at a 26-degree angle, eventually reaching the Subterranean Chamber. This cavernous room, located approximately 100 feet below the pyramid's base, is believed to have been an unfinished burial chamber or a symbolic representation of the underworld, Airduct. Branching off from the descending passage is a mysterious air duct, measuring approximately 8 inches wide and 20 inches high. This duct is believed to have served as a ventilation system, allowing air to circulate through the pyramid's interior. The purpose and function of this air duct have been the subject of much debate among archaeologists and historians. Queen's Chamber. The main entrance, located on the north face, leads to a descending passage that slopes downward. It branches out. Descending branch reach Subterranean Chamber, while using ascending brock and on next brock of tunnel, going level, one can reach the Queen's Chamber, located approximately 60 feet above the base of the pyramid. This chamber is characterized by its distinctive niche, which some believe may have been used for ritual purposes. The walls of the Queen's Chamber are made of finely polished limestone, creating a serene and contemplative atmosphere. Grand Gallery. From the Queen's Chamber, we move out and climb to the Grand Gallery, a remarkable architectural feature that stretches upward for over 150 feet. This impressive passageway is characterized by its steep, corbelled ceiling and its series of ascending steps, which may have been used for ceremonial purposes, King's Chamber, moving the path up the gallery, and finally, we arrive at the King's Chamber that contains the sarcophagus. This chamber is constructed entirely of granite, with a high, vaulted ceiling and a large, rectangular sarcophagus at its center. Both the King's and Queen's Chamber have a pair of small air shafts. Above the King's Chamber are a series of 5 relieving chambers, apart from work and graffiti that include Khufu's names. The Great Pyramid's internal chambers lack inscriptions and decorations, the usual norm for Egyptian tombs of the 4th to late 5th dynasty. Maybe lack inscriptions or decorations because it was constructed around 2600 BC, constructed much before the custom of inscribing pyramids with text came to existence. In 2017, scientists discovered a large cavity above the Grand Gallery by radio scanning, which they called the Big Void. Its length is at least 30 meters, and its cross-section is similar to that of the Grand Gallery. The purpose of the cavity is unknown, and it is not accessible. Some speculates it may have been a gap used in the construction of the Grand Gallery, while others oppose it. The Great Pyramid of Giza continues to captivate and mystify people around the world, with its intricate interior chambers and passageways holding the secrets of an ancient civilization. We are reminded of the enduring legacy of the ancient Egyptians and the enduring power of their architectural and engineering achievements.